Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Dalgona coffee. To begin, you will need just a few simple ingredients and tools. First, measure out 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Make sure your coffee is instant, not brewed, for the best results. You will also need a mixing bowl and either a hand whisk or an electric mixer. Now, let's create that signature fluffy foam. In your mixing bowl, combine the 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Begin whisking the mixture vigorously. If you are using a hand whisk, this will take approximately 2 to 5 minutes. With an electric mixer, you can achieve stiff, light brown peaks in about 1 minute. Keep whisking until the mixture holds its shape. With your beautiful coffee foam ready, it is time to assemble your drink. Take a clear glass and fill it about 3/4 full with your favorite milk, whether it is dairy or a plant-based alternative. Next, add a generous amount of ice cubes to chill your beverage perfectly. Carefully spoon the whipped Dalgona coffee mixture on top of the milk, creating a distinct and appealing layer. Do not stir it in just yet. Finally, it is time to enjoy your homemade Dalgona coffee. For an extra touch, you can garnish your drink with a light sprinkle of cocoa powder or a tiny dusting of instant coffee grounds. Before you take your first sip, gently stir the whipped coffee foam into the milk. This blends the rich coffee flavor with the creamy milk, creating a wonderfully smooth and satisfying beverage. Enjoy your delicious, cafe-quality treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.